Flex ko lang ang aking mga flowers. Ayan. My front yard flowers while still there kasi pagtapos na ito mag-flowers, wala na. Hindi na maganda. Next year ulit. Ano, aster ito, aster. Hanging flowers. May hanging flowers, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. More. My bee lilies. Dami, guys. My hostas and bee lilies. Wala pa siyang flowers kasi late yan sila, guys. Ito yung ibang hostas, meron na siyang flowers. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.